Are you still using ChatGPT just to ask random questions? If yes, you are missing out on a massive opportunity. Right now, people are using simple AI tools to generate thousands of dollars every month from the comfort of their homes. In this video, I am not going to share any fake or unrealistic methods. Instead, I will give you 3 real practical ways to start earning using ChatGPT and AI. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Our first method is AI content writing and blogging. Every business today needs high-quality articles, blogs, and social media captions for their websites. You can use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly and engaging content in seconds. Simply create a profile on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and list your content writing services. Once you get an order, use ChatGPT to structure an outline and write the article. Just make sure to read through and edit the text slightly to give it a natural, human touch. This simple side hustle can easily make you a great daily income. The second method is incredibly trendy and highly profitable: faceless YouTube channels. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. First, ask ChatGPT to write an engaging script on a popular niche, like motivational quotes, interesting psychological facts, or health tips. Next, take that script and paste it into an AI voice generator like 11 Labs to create a professional audio track. Finally, open a free video editor like Clipchamp, grab some high-quality stock footage from websites like Pexels, and sync it with your audio. These videos perform exceptionally well on YouTube Shorts and Reels, allowing you to monetize through ad revenue and sponsorships. Our third and most creative method is AI graphic design and selling digital products. By leveraging powerful tools like Leonardo AI, Canva, or Midjourney, you can create stunning digital art, t-shirt mock-ups, professional resumes, or social media templates. Business owners are constantly looking for quick branding assets. You can create a premium template once using AI and sell it repeatedly on platforms like Etsy or directly through Instagram. This creates a brilliant source of passive income that runs entirely on autopilot. So, those are the 3 real methods to jumpstart your online income using AI today. Content writing, faceless channels, and digital products are perfect for anyone looking to work smart. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss day 4 of our challenge. See you tomorrow and keep learning.